You've been using MailChimp to send your email blasts for years, and now you have a solid list of contacts. And you already know that personalization drives higher conversion rates, so personalizing landing pages for each member of your list using pURLs makes a lot of sense. Studies have shown that touching your audience through email and direct mail together can drive response rates even higher. Well, Boingnet has introduced integration with MailChimp lists, so you can easily generate pURLs, landing pages, and microsites that can be used in both email and direct mail campaigns. Boingnet pURLs built with MailChimp lists are mobile-friendly, personalized, and can help you achieve better campaign results. In this video, I'll cover the definition of a pURL, or personal URL, and then I'll demonstrate how to generate pURLs using a MailChimp list. A pURL is a personal URL. The URL contains the person's first and last name. In Boingnet, the structure looks like this, with the person's first and last name, .yourdomain.com. The landing page or microsite associated with each pURL typically contains some type of personalized content and is uniquely trackable. When you create a pURL campaign in Boingnet, you generate a pURL and its associated page or pages for each person on your MailChimp list. pURLs can then be embedded as links in emails or printed in direct mail campaigns for distribution. You'll need to complete the following 4 steps in order to generate your pURLs using a MailChimp list. First, you'll need to import your list from MailChimp. Second, you'll need to create a template for your landing pages. Next, you'll need to create a Boingnet microsite to host those landing pages. And finally, you'll need to create a personalized campaign to generate your pURLs. To import a list from your MailChimp account, go to the main navigation bar and click on Lists, and then click Create New Contact List. From here, click on the MailChimp button. In the first box, assign a name for your list. In the drop-down menu underneath Integration Configuration, select your integration configuration, or if you haven't set one up yet, click on New Configuration. Enter a name for your MailChimp configuration. Next, copy and paste the API key from your MailChimp account into the box, and then click Save Plugin Settings. If you don't yet have an API key for your MailChimp account, take a look at the help article in our knowledge base called How to Import a List from MailChimp. Next, select the list you'd like to import and the list status. And finally, click Next to go to the mapping page. The mapping page allows you to map all of your MailChimp list fields to your Boingnet contact fields. For pURLs, you must map first and last name. If you'd like to use these pURLs in a direct mail piece, make sure you also map address, city, state, and zip code. You can choose to skip over a field that's on your MailChimp list by selecting Skip from the drop-down menu. Just remember that any fields that are skipped won't be uploaded to your Boingnet contact list. For custom fields that aren't automatically mapped, you may map them to one of our 35 variable data fields. When you're done with your mapping, click on Complete Import. Once your list has been imported, you'll be notified by email. Then you can click on this link to see your new list. Now that you've imported your list, the next step is to build your landing page template. Your template will be used to create a landing page for each person on your list. To begin, go to the navigation bar, click on Build, and then select Templates. Click on Create New Template, and then select Create with Template Builder. Our template editor allows you to select the layout of your landing page before you start editing. You have the option of selecting a header, 1 to 5 modules, and a footer for your landing page. Notice that you get a preview on the right side of the page of the layout that you're selecting. Once you're happy with the layout of your landing page template, click Start Editing. Our knowledge base contains a 13-minute tutorial on building landing page templates. The tutorial goes through step-by-step instructions on inserting images, inserting page blocks, working with variable data and variable logic, using forms, creating link buttons, setting up thank you page redirects, and email autoresponders. You can also access many of these topics from the Help tab on the right side of the page, which gives you easy access to other pertinent help articles. Once you've created your landing page template, remember to assign a name to it, and then click Save. Once you're done creating your landing page template, the next step is to build your microsite. The microsite will link your template to your campaign pURLs. From the main navigation bar, click on Build, then select Microsites, and then click on Create New Microsite. In the first box, assign a microsite name. Then click Add New Page. To add your first template, assign a page number of 1, a friendly URL name, and then select the template from the drop-down menu. Then click Save. If you created additional landing page templates for this campaign, click Add New Page and repeat the process. When you're done adding all your page templates to your microsite, click on Done. Now that you're done with the first 3 steps, you can generate your pURLs by creating a personalized campaign. So from the navigation bar, click on Campaigns and then select Create New Campaigns. From here, click Create Personalized Campaign. Your personalized campaign will use the list you imported from MailChimp in Step 1 and the microsite you created in Step 3 to generate your personal URLs. In the first box, enter a name for your campaign. Next, select your list from the drop-down menu, and then click on Create Personal URLs. On this page, you'll define the structure of your personal URLs. Start by choosing a domain. You have the option of using the boingnet.com domain or your own domain in your pURLs. If you choose to use your own domain, make sure that it's pointed to Boingnet's IP address so we can host your landing pages. If you need information on how to do that, take a look at the help article in our knowledge base. All pURLs contain the person's first and last name, so under URL format, select first name as the first identifier and last name as the second identifier. If you're going to use your MailChimp list in more than one campaign, it's a good idea to assign a URL end to your pURLs so that you can distinguish one set of campaign pURLs from another. Next, select the microsite from Step 3. If you'd like campaign alerts sent to the administrator when someone visits their pURL or completes a form on the pURL, then check these boxes, and then click Next. This page displays all the details that you entered for your personalized campaign, including the contact list, the microsite name, and any notifications that you selected. It also gives you a preview of what your pURLs will look like. When you're sure that everything looks good, click on Create Landing Pages for this campaign. You'll be able to take a look at the pURL for the first contact on your list underneath Landing Page URLs. You can make any necessary changes to your landing pages by editing your template. To use those pURLs you just created in a direct mail piece, click on the Download button. This will create a file containing all the basic contact information from your MailChimp list, plus the pURLs that were just generated in Boingnet. And that's how you generate pURLs using a list from MailChimp. To learn more about creating a landing page template or a personalized campaign, you can check out the other articles in our knowledge base. As you can see, our lightweight platform makes it easy and affordable to leverage your MailChimp lists to generate personalized URLs for direct mail and email campaigns. If you're ready to get started with your own pURL campaigns, then sign up now for our free 60-day trial. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-264-6420. Sign up for a weekly webinar, get a Boingnet demo, or just email us at support@boingnet.com. We'd love to hear from you.